10 healthy foods that are high in iron. Number 1. Shellfish. A 3.5-ounce, 100-gram, serving of clams provides 17% of the DV4 iron. Shellfish is also rich in many other nutrients and may increase HDL, good, cholesterol levels in your blood. Number 2. Spinach. Spinach provides 15% of the DV4 iron per serving, along with several vitamins and minerals. It also contains important antioxidants. Number 3. Liver and other organ meats. Organ meats are good sources of iron, and the liver contains 36% of the DV per serving. Organ meats are also rich in many other nutrients, such as selenium, vitamin A, and choline. Number 4. Legumes. 1 cup, 198 grams, of cooked lentils provides 37% of the DV4 iron. Legumes are also high in folate, magnesium, potassium, and fiber and may even aid weight loss. Number 5. Red meat. 1 serving of ground beef contains 15% of the DV4 iron and is one of the most easily accessible sources of heme iron. It's also rich in B vitamins, zinc, selenium, and high-quality protein. Number 6. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds provide 14% of the DV4 iron per 1 ounce serving. They're also a good source of several other nutrients, particularly magnesium. Number 7. Quinoa. Quinoa provides 16% of the DV4 iron per serving. It also contains no gluten and is high in protein, folate, minerals, and antioxidants. Number 8. Turkey. Turkey provides 13% of the DV4 iron and is a good source of several vitamins and minerals. Its high protein content promotes fullness, increases metabolism, and prevents muscle loss. Number 9. Broccoli. 1 serving of broccoli provides 6% of the DV4 iron and is very high in vitamin C, K, and folate. It may also help reduce cancer risk. Number 10. Tofu. Tofu provides 19% of the DV4 iron per serving and is rich in protein and minerals. Its isoflavones may improve heart health and relieve menopausal symptoms.